Discover why SQL Server Reporting Services, SSRS, is an efficient and powerful tool for creating professional reports. SSRS seamlessly integrates with SQL Server, allowing you to query, process, and visualize data directly from your database with ease. It provides robust report creation capabilities, supporting a variety of report types, including tabular, graphical, and interactive formats, making it versatile for any business need. With centralized report management, you can efficiently schedule, deliver, and manage reports across your organization, reducing duplication and improving collaboration. SSRS is highly customizable and dynamic, enabling you to use parameters, expressions, and custom code to create personalized reports tailored to specific requirements. Its built-in security, leveraging Windows Authentication and Active Directory integration, ensures that your reports and data remain secure. As a cost-effective solution, SSRS is included with SQL Server, eliminating the need for additional reporting software. It also supports cross-platform delivery, allowing you to export reports to formats like PDF, Excel, and Word, or deliver them via email or web portals, ensuring accessibility across devices. SSRS is scalable, capable of handling large datasets and multiple users, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Its automation and scheduling features save time by reducing manual efforts and ensuring timely delivery of insights. Additionally, SSRS includes interactive features like drill-down and drill-through reports, making it easy to explore data at different levels of detail. Whether you need to manage large datasets, create visually stunning reports, or ensure secure and scalable reporting solutions, SSRS is designed to meet your needs efficiently. Watch now to learn how SSRS can elevate your reporting and decision-making processes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on SQL Server and reporting tools.